Alright, we're doing a brake pad swap on a 2005 Chevy Malibu standard edition. This edition has disc brakes in the front and drums in the back. We are just changing the front brake pads today. Basically all you need is 19 mil socket to take the lug nuts off of the wheel, and you need a 14 mil socket 3/8 drive to take bolt here and bolt down here off, and this whole thing comes off. After that, you take literally slide the brake pads out of this holster here, front and back, and you put the new ones in. Here's what the new ones look like, and you slide these in. Curvature goes along with the wheel, and yeah, just like that. And like I said, 14 mil. Take this top one off. Fucking these shits are on tight. For what reason, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, I'd help if I go the right way. I'm not a professional here. Same thing, bottom. Crack it loose. The bottom one first so it doesn't fall on you. There you go, there's that. Now, this whole thing should just pop off. There we go. Some people bungee it up here, I just sit it there, ain't going nowhere. And easily pop off like this. Got some life, but they keep squealing and it's annoying the fuck out of me. We get the new ones here. There's some new ones. Old ones, new ones. Definitely worn out a little bit. They're squealing, fucking annoying the shit out of me. So we're replacing them. And obviously, it don't matter which side goes where. Right? No. Yeah, no. Don't matter which side goes where. So line up the rotor. Just like that. I'll put this one in the back here. There we go. That sits there now. We have to compress the piston. That's a bitch to do, because we're doing it. I don't have to do it with these shits because I don't know where a C-clamp is. So basically all you gotta do is take your old brake pad, put it on the piston like that, put that there, make sure it's kind of centered. You can center if you want, if you want to be anal like that. Just fucking crank on this bitch until it's compressed. Yeah, disc brakes, I don't know what to tell you. Because,
Have your girlfriend hold it for you?
there we go, pressed, just like that. Now, it should just slide right back on, just like so. Bada bing, bada boom. The top one first, line the hole up. Yeah, that's hand tight. Now the bottom one. Line that one up. There we go. Now, take 14, make sure it's tightening. This ratchet's semi-broken. There we go. You don't want to hammer on this thing, because if you do, you will strip the bolt, and that is a pain in the ass to get out. There's probably some torque you're supposed to torque this to. I obviously don't know what it is, and I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just estimating it. It's probably like fucking like something like 20 foot-pounds or some shit. And I ain't doing your conversion for you overseas people, Canadian people. There we go. There's that. On this, I don't have to bleed them. All I have to do is just pump the brakes until they feel sturdy, or whatever you call it. Throw these out, scrap them. I don't care what you want to do with them. I ain't telling you what to do. Now, that's a change. Brakes on a 05 Chevy Malibu, standard edition. No fancy shit on this, and yeah.